All right. I think we're all set here. All right, let's go ahead and get over the pack openings. I've already got my perfect fit going. Got my one touch for any sort of any of the enchanteds I pull. These should be coming in handy for those. So let's do it. Oh, just wanted to show, I know I saw everyone kind of talk about it on Twitter, but yes, you can just pull the packs out back here. This glue right here sucks. It is not secured at all. There it goes. Oh. Oh, why doesn't this one just pop out? Am I not doing this right? There we go. Ooh. Ooh, so fancy. Look at that. Super fancy. All right. All right, well, what I'm looking for in all these packs, ideally, would be an enchanted Belle or Elsa. So, let's get to it. Alrighty, got Tinkerbell, Golden Flower, Goofy, Hey, Freeze, Tinkerbell again. Ooh, Tiny Tactician. There we go. Eye of the Fates, Maximus, Pascal. Got a Plasma Blaster, Stitch. All right, and my hollow is gonna be a Stolen Scimitar. All right, not a great start, but hey, you know what? It's something. I'm gonna go ahead and keep them in the packs that I open them, so I can update Artem's website on Lorcana for draw rates. I think it's really cool that they're going ahead and do that. All right, Vicious Betrayal, Donald, he's got a sword, Pumbaa, Jafar, Severus, Cheshire. There we go. I can start actually building my deck that I want. You've forgotten me. Mad Hatter. Okay, we got two of the cards that I need, and we got the one drop Lilo, Iago, and there we go. Hollow Aurora. Take it. Slowly. I'm hoping we get the enchanted rare too, and that first pack magic wasn't it. All right, Meg, Mickey Mouse, Peter Pan, Simba, Jafar, Cerberus, Mother Knows Best, Coconut Basket, Prince Philip, Zeus, Mulan. Ooh, we've got a hollow Mulan. Look at, there we go. Trying to keep them at least in a pack format, so when I go to upload it later, don't have to worry about it. Alright, we have Sudden Chill, Donald Duck, Goofy, Hakuna Matata, Magic Broom. There we go. Those Amethyst decks coming through now. Tink, Tiny Tactician, Rapunzel, Rafiki, Dr. Facier's cards, Jasmine, Flotsam, and ooh, foiled Hakuna Matata. Just gonna say, it's unreal having all these cards actually in hand now. Like, we're still not even at the 18th, and being able to have all these cards right now is amazing. So a huge shout out to my friend and co-worker Angelo for getting these for me. All right, what do we got? Got Aladdin, Jasmine, Elsa, Healing Glow, Wardrobe, another Tinkerbell, Befuddle, Jasper. Here we go. We got Aurora. Be Prepared. There we go. Simba and Hollowed Break. One moment. Some more power up packs here. Stampede, Flounder, there we go. Citizens of Lorcana coming in with this card. Tangle, Sebastian, Tinkerbell, Simba, Aurora, Goofy, Donald, Scar, Beast, there we go. And a Hollow Kronk. I'll take it, you know. Nice little vanilla card that looks nice, you know. Wrong lever all the time, right? Got a small desk, so I gotta keep the clutter out. Well, that didn't pull apart the way I wanted it to. Alright, another Vicious Betrayal, Mufasa, Abu, Timon, Tinkerbell, Hook, the Captain, Befuddle, Jasper. There we go. Captain Hook, Thinking Happy Thoughts, a Lantern, okay. There we go, Hollowed Magic Broom. Oh, there he is, the Duke of Weaseltown. Got Maleficent, Aladdin, Minnie Mouse, Jetsam, Prince Eric, The Beast Is Mine, Frying Pan, Fan the Flames, Moana, Tamatoa. There we go. Too bad I'll never probably play this. I've got no interest in these item decks. And then we have Hollow Aurora. Well, so far it's not looking too good about getting our Enchanted Belle or Elsa, so let's see if we can at least get more cards for the deck that I want to build. A lot of Emerald and some Ruby, so we'll see. We'll see how this goes. Another Duke. Donald, there we go. It's another card I could use. Ariel, Whole New World. And there we go, the Hollow Rafiki. All right, Peter Pan, Detective Mouse, Detective Mickey. There we go. This is something that I'd actually use in a Sapphire Amethyst deck. Have Peter Pan again, Mr. Smee, Elsa, Prince Eric. I have the Fates, Mickey Mouse, Beast. Do it again. There we go, Sorcerer Mickey, and then a hollowed Sudden Chill. Oh, that didn't stay too well now, did it? There we go. There we go. Horus, there's a new one. Work Together, Pongo, Hey Hey, Freeze, Simba, Anna, Smash. There we go. There's one of the cards that I like using in Steel. Donald Duck, Musketeer, Cruella de Vil, Ursula, and we have a hollowed Stampede. I know, me either. I've only got one pre-order and then I gotta bounce around from shop to shop, which isn't gonna be the greatest morning. Then I gotta go to work right after, which sucks. So we got Meg, another Flounder, there we go, Sergeant Tibbs, Dinglehopper, Yzma, Fire the Cannons. Steel decks, I feel like this is something that you have to have in there. Elsa, Flynn Rider, this is another card that's gonna be in my Emerald deck. Yeah, I'll be going through all the starter decks as well. They've got a booster pack hidden there as well. So we got Ariel. Oh, there we go. Mickey Mouse Artful Road. And Tangle Hollow. I'd probably pick through the starter decks to get the cards that I want, but I also don't want to mess with it. So if I can get the time off from work on Friday, I can at least play with something that's already set. I'm sure not a lot of people are going to have pre-constructed decks by then, but who knows? So we got Mickey Mouse, Steamboat, Mufasa, Pongo, Simba, Wardrobe, Goons, Donald Duck, Elsa, Snow Queen. There we go. Another Flynn Rider. Okay, I'm liking this. Giant Tink. Now, if you are playing Steel, Giant Tink is, I feel, almost as necessary as Fire the Cannons. Being able to do that extra damage on play, and then when you defeat an enemy, you can deal 2 more damage to the rest of the board. Like, come on. I'm sorry, 2 more damage to another character. We have Maximus, and then a Hollowed Part of Your World. Alright, Stolen Scimitar, Developer Brain, Abu, Pumbaa, Maleficent, another Fire the Cannons, Donald Duck, Rafiki, Musketeer Goofy, Maurice, Dr. Fassier, and there you go, Grab Your Sword. This paired with Giant Tink is just it's wild, especially for people playing against or people playing Rockstar Stitch, hoping to get all those low cost cards on the board so they can keep drawing. Like, all it's gonna do is just wipe you out. All right, another stolen scimitar. We have Aurora, Tangle, Stitch, Archimedes, Simba, Mickey Mouse, Beast, the Captain, Jafar, John Silver. There we go, Hollowed Stitch. We have another Peter Pan, Velocities. I've never been able to pronounce this dude's name right. Minnie Mouse, okay, there we go, another one for my deck. Dinglehopper, Archimedes, Beastmere, Donald Duck, Rapunzel, Moana, Stitch. This is one that's in my deck and I'm a big fan of it. Being able to, I don't know, I like these cards that have all this lore on it. There we go, another card that I can use. Aladdin, the ability to defeat an opponent and then take 2 lore and gain 2 lore. It's too good. And then a hollow work together. Man, we're getting towards the bottom of this pack and I'm starting to worry. I'm not gonna get worried. I'm not gonna get one of them enchanted. All right, we have Aladdin, Merlin, Minnie Mouse, Sebastian, Jetsam, Break, Cut to the Chase, Olaf, The Beast is Mine, If It's Not Baroque, White Rabbit's Pocket Watch, and Prince Eric Hollow. Yeah, sorry for the mess that's in the background. I just noticed it. I'm in the middle of putting in a new shelf so I could display more of my stuff. Alright, Stampede, Work Together, Gaston, Hakuna Matata, Another Magic Broom, Hercules, Beast, Moana, Olaf, there's Sword of Truth, the Musketeer Tabard. I think this is a really cool card. I like the idea that you can have a deck based on only having Bodyguard and then get card draw that way. And there we go for a hollow, Poisoned Apple. Well, hello, Cheetah. Alright, let's see. Got Genie, Develop Your Brain, Scar, Healing Glow, Dr. Fossier, Aladdin, Coconut Basket, Ariel, Kronk, Captain Hook, Ruthless Pirate, Hans, and we have the Captain as our hollow. I'm gonna go back here real quick. I like this card. Not like it's I mean, it might have good value. I have no plans on playing Amber. I've never played Amber yet, and I don't know if I really want to, but thematically I really like this card. Just because this one, she trades her voice so she can have legs and go out to land, and here she can't sing songs. Her little quote there is just empty. Like, I think it's great. Ravensburger did a great job with the lore there. All right, we have Tink, Merlin, Gaston, Mr. Smee, Elsa, Aladdin, Reflection, Baby Tamatoa. This card's adorable. We have Triton, Mickey Mouse, Musketeer, Ursula Shell Necklace, and our holo is going to be, well, there we go. Ariel on Human Legs holo, just talking about that. Oof, down to our last 4 packs already. Alright, we're starting with Sudden Chill. Got a sword, control your temper. Friends on the other side. Kristoff, Jumba, One Jump Ahead, Be Our Guest, Hades, King of Olympus, the Queen, and with Dr. Fossier's cards as our holo. I know, big oof. Oof, we're last 3. I mean, technically we have 3 more in the starter decks, but out of this box. Alright, there we go. We have Mickey Mouse, Golden Flower, Scar, Timon, Dr. Fossier, Goons, Smash, okay, Shield of Virtue, Befuddle, Cusco. Cards in my deck as well. I'm big fan of these. Big fan of this one just because I can quest for 3 lore. I can do damage if you challenge it, and when you do challenge and banish him eventually, I get to banish your card. Like, really making you pay for that. We have Let It Go and Archimedes is our holo. We'll open Mickey last. Maybe we'll get some magic out of that. Right, here we go. Horus, Jasmine, Elsa, Control Your Temper, Maleficent, Kristoff, Rapunzel, Dragonfire, okay, Sven, Plasma Blaster, Stitch, Carefree Surfer, Whole New World, holographic, there we go. Alright, well, it's not looking good here. This looks like I'm gonna be spending a lot of money when it comes time for launch. Whether I'm buying singles or chancing it by buying boosters. Alright, here we go. We have Genie, Aurora, Sergeant Tibbs, Stitch, Yzma, Break, You've Forgotten Me, got Lilo, Scepter of Arendelle, Steal from the Rich, Mother Gothel, and Hollow Gaston. Oof. Well, yeah, no enchanted in this box. It's unfortunate, but hey, you know what? I think the rate's like 1 per case. Or at least that's what we're guesstimated at right now, is 1 per case. So that's, yeah, I would have liked it, but you know what? I can't sit here and just be like, oh, it was expected. Kind of figured it wouldn't. Alright. There is that. I did get to open some cards early, which I'm super grateful for. It does help, because now I can at least start sleeving them, putting them into the binder, getting my collection going. And I think I'm gonna go with the whole have a collection of each card, holo and not holo. So I'm gonna be broke, very broke. And then here's this really cool art piece that they put together. All right. Now here are the starter decks. This is an Emerald Ruby starter deck. it's got the list of all the cards right here on the side. Did not know that. Alright, how does this thing open? There we go. Struggling here. No, I mean, I would have liked it, but from the pools that everyone's kind of been showing and like the guesstimated rate right now, it's one per case. So if I had 4 boxes, I might have gotten one, but definitely don't have 4 boxes. So let's see, we'll go through that right after. Got a nice little booster pack here to get something out of. Alright, let's see. Yzma, Scimitar, Aurora, Tangle, Stitch, Eric, Coconut, Prince Philip, Donald Duck, Moana, Elsa, Spirit of Winter, okay. And a Boo Hollow. Alright. These are the starter decks. And it's wrapped so I can't open it apparently. Alright. I haven't looked at any of these starter decks. I haven't looked at any of the list or anything. I don't know what those pull rates are, so let's go through this. So there's that's not the hollowed out Aladdin, is it? I can't tell. I don't think it is. Oh, there's the hollows. Boom. They got a hollowed Aladdin, hollowed Cruella. And then in the deck, let's see, it's got 2 of the Aladdin Prince Ali, 2 Dukes of Weaseltown, 3 Horaces, 1 Iago. Let's see, then we got 2 more Jaspers. Oh, that's not a bad card. Never really read into Jasper, but I might put this into my deck. Being able to quest with him and prevent someone else from questing, this might work better when I'm playing against someone else with Emerald who's got the same idea as me. Just cards like Hatter or Cheshire Cat, where I'm just questing big. Yeah, Jasper. I never really read into it. I was like, oh, okay, all these other cards are cool, but yeah, I might have to roll with them. So Mad Hatter, I got 3 of them. We have 3 Megars, 3 Mickey Mouses, Mickey Mices, 2 Peter Pan, 3 Mother Knows Best. Let's see, 2 Stampede, 1 Steal from the Rich, 2 Vicious Betrayal, 2 Stolen Scimitars. Then we have what? 3 Aladdin Street Rats. I like this card for being able to just play it and start taking lore away from your opponent. Then we have the Captain. 2 Captains. 2 Donalds. 1 LeFou. Got 3 Pongo. 3 Rapunzels. 2 Scars. 3 Sergeant Tibbs. There we go. 1 Stitch. Dragonfire. There we go. He's got a sword and Shield of Virtue. I'm definitely gonna be pulling cards from this deck for my own, like Dragonfire, definitely Stitch, without a doubt. And looking at it, possibly even Jasper now. What else is in here? Oh, a little lore tracker, a little lore counter for damage counters. Let's see. I mean, this will do. I'm not gonna lie about that, but not very. Not that big. What else is in here? Oh, little. Okay. A lore counter and a place to put cards in play in your inkwell, and in the quick start. Okay. Nice little quick start here. If you haven't seen it already, but there we go. You know what? Go ahead and keep these. Keep it out for now and put it away later. Alright. Now here we go for another starter deck, Amber Amethyst. Well, it's not pulling apart the way I'm expecting it to. Sorry, just checking the Lorcana HQ Discord. Signed up to play in a tournament, and not sure if the... Oh, still waiting for my opponent to register. Well, hello, Eliza. I don't even know if they registered on the website just yet. Oh, they have, so probably gonna have to reach out here in a little so I can schedule my match against them. And then I'll stream all the games for you guys there. Oh, awesome. Nice. You sign up for the tournament? That's fair. It's a lot of people to try and play against. And I still don't know what I'm doing half the time, so... Never struggled opening a pack like this before. There we go. Alright, Hakuna Matata, another magic broom, sudden chill, velocities, got a sword, Eric, Maximus, Starkey. I like this card. If you build a pirate deck, at least with Captain Hook, this card really stacks really well. But a lot of Hook cards aren't inkable, so that's at least a minimum 16 cards. I mean, you're of course gonna have Fire the Cannon, so you're looking at 19 to 20 cards already not inkable. So Ban the Flames, Maleficent, there we go, Rapunzel, and a Hollow Scar. Alright, let's go through this Amber Amethyst deck. Alright, so let's see. I've got the two Ariels, got the Hollow Moana, and Mickey Wayward Sorcerer. Leave those down there. So we got two of the Cinderellas, Gentle and Kind. Hades, Lord of the Underworld. I like this card a lot, being able to bring characters back from your discard. Let's see, Hey Hey, Maximus, Vanilla Mickey Mouse times 3, Vanilla Minnie Mouse times 3. Convenient. Yeah, I feel that. I'm making that decision to try and buy enough cards so I can collect one of each. It's not the brightest financially, but hey, it'll be worth it. You got 3 Stitch, 2 Be Our Guest, 2 Control Your Temper, 2 Hakuna Matata, Part of Your World, there's 3 Dingle Hoppers. Now, hot take. Healing in this game, I find it kind of pointless. Because anytime you're challenging, I mean, anytime you're challenged, I mean, you're not going to heal your character. Your character's getting either wiped off the board, or no one's challenging you. Like, no one's gonna go for partial damage. I mean, I can get the healing if you're doing the partial damage, but still. Sweet, so you understand the financial problems we're all about to have. There's Dr. Fossier. Let's see. Agent Provocateur. I like this card a lot just because your characters no longer get banished. While he's out, just return it to your hand. I mean, I built a deck over in Pixelborn based solely off returning your cards to your hand. So I've got Magic Brooms, Marshmallow, Dr. Fossier. It's great. It's kind of annoying. Got two more of the Dr. Fossiers. Flotsam, Jafar, Jetsam. Oh, there they are. 3 more Magic Brooms. 2 Maleficent. 3 Olaf. Let's see. This is where you draw a card. 2 Pascal. Pascal early is great just because that evasive. I mean, unless you're playing against Ruby, Ruby's going to bring out evasive on every card that it has, but Pascal's great, especially starting out. And yeah, I could see Dingle Hopper helping out early game, especially for, you know, cards like Maleficent that are just too willpower. 3 Rafiki, 1 Sven, 3 Wardrobe, 2 Yzma, and then 3 friends on the other side. Great for card draw, love it. And then big fan of Wardrobe just because it's only costs 3 and then you've already got a 3/4 out. All right. All right. Last one to open here. Sapphire Steel. Deck list. Alright, maybe our enchanted rarities hanging out in this. Press X to doubt, but alright. Still asleep. Still have time to open stuff. Alright. All right. All right, there we go. We got Tink, Vicious Betrayal, Mufasa, Abu, Timon, Prince Eric, Frying Pan, Shield of Virtue, Ursula's Cauldron. Okay, there we got Lantern, another one. We have Hans. He's another one in my deck, and I'm a big fan. It's vanilla card 3/3, but that 3 lore is super helpful, especially for how early you can get him out. I'm a little nervous to turn this last one over because it's the last pack that we're opening for at least another week. So, yeah. And we Hollowed Anna. Man. Those enchanteds. I believe too, but gotta come back to reality that pull rate is super low. Alright. Let's go through. I know, we went through, what is that? That's 24 through 27 packs. 27 packs, and yeah. I'm not expecting it out of these things, but you know, it'd be a miracle, you know. Who knows? And let's see what's here in Sapphire Steel. So we start off with 3 Aurora, Briar Rose, and then we go Dreaming Guardian and Returned King. Well, I mean, the problem is finding boxes right now. There's a store around here that's, I don't know why, but they set up all their shops inside of the malls. And hit them up the other day, and I wanted to do a pre-order. And and they want 350 for a booster box. There you go. Gotta manifest them all. But I think that's insane. $350 for a booster box. Retails 143, 140. I mean, it won't be nice to even number 145. Like, you're pushing away your business. I'm sorry. We got more Aurora. Oh, there's the 2 flounders. Grandma Tala. Now, I love this card, honestly. It's in my Amethyst Sapphire deck, and it's just because the ramp that it gives. You know, she's a 1/1, she can quest for 1 lore, but like that ability, when she's banished, goes into your inkwell. I mean, Sapphire is all ramp, and having this out here to be able to get lore, and then your opponent's like, oh, you know what, it's a 1/1, I'll just get rid of it. And now you're already at another ink ahead. Like, I'm a big fan of Sapphire just because of the ramp. Definitely for bell decks. Yeah, I'm hoping after the first everything drops. I'm definitely going to be going from Target to Target, Best Buy to Best Buy, just hitting up every store. I was stupid and picked up overtime, so I gotta be at work at 11 in the morning, so I only have a couple hours to really run around and get everything. So 2 Jasmine. Okay, 3 Maleficent vanilla cards. This Maleficent hits big. There we go, more ramp with Mickey Mouse, Detective Mickey Mouse. Mufasa. We got Scar here. Develop your brain. 1 jump ahead. Okay. Coconut basket. Magic golden flower. We have Beast hard-headed with the ability break. 3 of the Captain Hook duelists. 2 of the goons. 2 Hercules. Let's see. Now, are we talking Big Mal or Middle Mal? Because I think this one is definitely the better of the art. And as far as favorite cards go, I don't know. I think in regards to art would probably be Belle. Let's see. No, they don't have it here. I can't remember. She's also an enchanted. It's the art is the enchanted art Belle. Favorite card to play though, I would easily say, I can't. No, Sorcerer Mickey. Just being able to constantly get the brooms out for a lower cost is big. That and it's Sorcerer Mickey and the brooms. Let's see, 2 Kristoff, Maui, 2 Prince Eric. 2 Simba. There it is. Fire the cannons. I'm expecting to see in every single steel deck. Fire the cannons, at the least. Grab your sword. 2 the ransack, smash, and frying pan. Oh man! As soon as I saw they had an enchanted Belle full art card, I was like, I saw it and I thought it was amazing. That and the Elsa one. Those are my 2 like I have to get cards. I have to get within budget cards. I'm not gonna be going out spending a whole bunch on that. Well, there it is. All 27 packs, 3 starter decks. Now it's time to start. Well, I'm not gonna need these anymore. Like, was gonna have some enchanted cards put in there, but I guess not. Let's see. I guess I can put away these perfect fit sleeves as well. Got all these out ready for hoping for some enchanted, but no. World thought otherwise. Okay, that's fair. I can see that. Well, let's get some sleeves out. Sleeve up these hollows. None of these are going into my Dragon Shield though, because I'm not playing any of them. Wonder if I should have perfect sleeved this into a nice little double sleeve. I don't know how I feel about the giant enchanted Tink. Like, I think it's cool, but I don't know. I like the original art to it. And then the enchanted Maui, I'm not sure about that at all. Probably could have picked another card. Sorry, not sorry. No, keep that as is. Yeah, I think Rogue Mickey was a good one. I'm kind of surprised they went with 2 Mickeys, but then also not. It is a Disney card game. I mean, what? How many variations of Mickey? You've got one for each color, right? Is what? Amber just has regular Mickey Mouse. Steel has Musketeer Mickey. Emerald has Steamboat Mickey. Sapphire is Detective Mickey. Amethyst is Sorcerer Mickey. Oh, that great. And then Ruby is BLT Mickey. There's that nice BAS D23 Mickey. Oh, that's right. Emerald has 2. And we were just talking about Rogue Mickey. How'd I forget? See, I'm debating about sending in the GenCon one to get it graded as well. But I don't know yet. I'm for sure grading all my enchanted cards, most likely. I'm not going to play that at all. The cards or the enchanted cards specifically? Well, can't say for enchanted cards just yet. I gotta still pull one of those or buy one. Who knows? But as far as having them actually in hand and taking a look at it, I mean, the foils look cool. I really like the way that it's done. I mean, yeah, I mean, here's, I don't know if it's gonna show on the camera. No, I mean, barely. But you can see the Mulan foil versus the regular, but here they're the same cards side by side, which conveniently were pulled in the same pack one after another. But having them in hand is surreal, and honestly, like being able to see them in person, the actual cards, they look dope. That's the best way to put it. Like, I don't know, all the art style has been real good throughout the whole thing, and then the way it came out on the card, it's not all messed up. I'm not gonna lie though, I was also hoping that I'd pull an error pack or something that's all miscut or crinkled or anything that had the discard cards. Those I'd love to have, because I'm expecting more of it. I've been seeing a lot of it, but yeah, I don't know, that would be cool to have, just to start out with those. Yeah, me too. That's why I signed up for the tournament, unfortunately. I'm not expecting to go further than the first round. Yeah, I've only seen them on Pixelborn or TTS, and now being able to actually have them in hand it's wild. And honestly, like, seeing it on my screen versus in my hand, the screen, everything is just so much bigger. So getting them in it, like, shoot, I haven't played a TCG in a long time, so I don't even have cards to reference for sizing. So it threw me off guard, I'm not gonna lie. I wasn't expecting the card to be or at least the size they are. But I mean, it's what they are. see. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Alright. Shit. Oh. That didn't come out over. And immediately censored. I know. See what today's Wednesday, so yeah. Yeah, it's coming up quick. One of the stores around me saying they're doing a pre-release event, so I don't know what they mean by that. I don't know if they're just saying, oh, the day of we're gonna, you know, host something, but I'm hoping that they do like a midnight release, because I took that day off early. I got someone to cover part of my shift, so being able to go get off at 9 and then go hopefully at midnight. All right, but I'll catch you around. Well, all right. I have a bunch of cards to sort through, so thank you all for joining the stream, and I'll catch you around.